Pigs make me sneeze. Gerald! What do you want to do today? I would... Yes? A what? A ball, a swim, a hat? Are you okay? I don't know. I cannot stop sneezing. Oh no! What if pigs make me sneeze? What if you try to sneeze softer? Sorry. But if pigs do make me sneeze, then I cannot be near you. Then we can be best friends. Then we must be apart forever. But Gerald... No, Piggy, don't speak. It is too late. Goodbye, Gerald. Are you okay, Gerald? No, I am not okay, Dr. Cat. Pigs make me sneeze, and Piggy is a pig. Also my best friend. Great, now cats make me sneeze too. I do not think pigs make you sneeze. I do not think cats make you sneeze. I think you have a cold. A cold? You are sick. I am sick! Oh, thank you, Doctor. Piggy, great news! I have a cold. Great for you.